you cut and you auscultate after the cutting. If the sound has changed, it is probably what? Crackles. And probably not crepitation, not pleural friction up. Then you auscultate the patient and then you press very hard. And if the sound increases, this is probably pleural friction up and not crepitation, not crackles. Then you auscultate the patient and you ask the patient to do as he is breathing, but with closed vocal peaks, like so, moving the diaphragm without breathing. And if you hear additional sounds, this is probably pleural friction up, because no crackles, no crepitation is possible without air movement. Understand? Questions? No questions? Thank you very much.